Welcome to AAC Parent Training, Alternative and Augmentative Communication in 5 minutes or less. My name is Sarah Bass. I'm a speech pathologist and the Assistive Technology Coordinator for Southwest Cooperative Cooperative. Today we will be discussing problem solving with an AAC device. To activate closed captions on this video, please click the CC button at the bottom of your screen. Problem solving, troubleshooting, learning, it all takes practice and willingness to say, oops. The most successful way I have found to teach problem solving is to allow others to see you mess up and make mistakes, and then to narrate your problem solving process. Devices look overwhelming. That's what I think anytime I see a new system. It's not familiar, so to me, it's a bit scary. The good news is that most devices have a word finder function and an icon tutor. The word finder is usually located on the same page as the keyboard. Using the word finder will activate the icon tutor. Another helpful hint is that most devices are set up in sentence order. Subjects are on the left, verbs in the middle, and objects and nouns on the right, just like we read. All robust language systems have the ability to be reset. If we have a backup on file, we can restore to the last one. It's pretty hard to mess these things up. I say this so that families and teams aren't nervous about interacting with this new device. If your student sees you are willing to explore and problem solve, they will be more likely to as well. From experience, we know things can happen with devices from breakage and not being charged or it being absent for a short period. This makes it important that the vocabulary is backed up. Your school team will show you how they are backing it up. It may be to school cloud storage or another method. The most important thing is to be backed up, and this also includes having something low tech so your child can communicate even if their device is absent. Whether this is a device trial or your personal device, your team will be able to help you with getting started with programming. I would encourage you to keep a small notebook or a page where you write down what you might want to add to the device. This could include names of family, favorite places to go, favorite items of food that aren't in the device. Write it down. For the first round of programming, work with your SLP and team so things don't get confusing for your child. The key to the device is being strategic about organization. As I said back at the beginning, districts are required to make sure that your student has the system they need to participate in the academic environment. Once a student becomes good or proficient with using a device, I recommend that families consider purchasing their own device. Insurance policies, Medicaid, and even grants can cover communication devices. This is more to ensure that the device is yours, regardless of any changes in residency or in your school system. It's ultimately a family's choice. Thank you to some of my friends who let me use their children's pictures in this presentation. Please reach out to your speech-language pathologist with any questions, and remember that cooperative members have access to my services as well.